Hello and welcome to our viewers on ASI News Broadcast, bringing you the latest top news for today. How NSA shared 850 billion plus metadata records. Documents leaked by Edward Snowden suggest during the noughties, the NSA massively expanded the information it shared with its Five Eyes allies and other agencies. In slides given to The Intercept, the NSA boasts that its iCreech program, quote, increases NSA communications metadata sharing from 50 billion records to 850 plus billion records, end quote. With a footnote adding that 126 billion of these new records came from, quote, second-party SIGINT partners, end quote. At the same time, there was also a massive increase in the metadata the NSA was storing. The date, time, duration, call number, and calling party drawn from old PSTN systems plus more than 20 new fields, including latitude and longitude, became part of the data sharing. To cope with all of this, the NSA also needed to create a federated database search engine, in essence its own middleware sitting between the databases and the users. The documents, dated 2006 and 2007, describe iCreech as a, quote, federated query engine that would search across all data sets for information relating to a target identifier, end quote. The leaked documents say an agent could search from a single login to retrieve phone number, global mobile satellite, and cellular events and selectors, email addresses, etc. Data brokers were also crafted to give the NSA's partners, the Australian Signals Directorate, then DSD, Britain's GCHQ, New Zealand's GCSB, Canada's CSE, and the US FBI access to the same search capabilities, while maintaining the position that the metadata is, quote, information about content but not the content itself, end quote. The NSA also notes that the data collected includes, quote, formats and protocols used to render the information for people and systems, end quote. The middleware also meant that analysts were able to work on intelligence leads, quote, without requiring access to raw intelligence, end quote. Thanks for watching ASI News Broadcast with all the latest news from the U.S. brought to you from the American Studies Institute from Tehran. You can also check our website at www.asipress.us.